Aunt Rita, do you like my shoes?
What did you say?
I said, Aunt Rita, do you like my shoes?
You were asking her if she likes your shoes?
Whoa! I get these too high. I have to zip these up.
We're practicing already for when we become a big girl.
Yes. Hurry, 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 hurry. Let me get up with these high heels on.
It's hard.
That's first I have to take these high heels off again. Now I have to wear them again. Can you help me step into them? Whoa. There.
You're ready for the fashion world.